Buying a home is a big step, and it's only natural to have some concerns, especially with today's competitive market in Northern California. Whether you're a first-time home buyer or a seasoned home seeker, common fears include affordability issues, financial challenges, bidding wars, hidden problems, overpaying, and market volatility. In today's video, we're going to address these 6 biggest fears home buyers have and share practical advice on how to ease those concerns. Fear number 1. Affordability issues. One of the top concerns for many home buyers, especially in high demand area like California, is affordability. With home prices rising, many buyers worry about whether they'll be able to afford the home they want. Here's some good news. There are many tools and strategies to help you navigate affordability. Start by getting pre-approved for a mortgage. This will give you a clear idea of what you can afford and will help you set realistic expectations. Don't forget to factor in property taxes, insurance, and maintenance costs when you're calculating your budget. You might also want to explore down payment assistance programs or consider looking for properties in slightly different areas that could offer more affordable options while still meeting your needs. California's Housing Affordability Index is projected to improve slightly to 18% in 2026, meaning more households may qualify for a median-priced home. Fear number 2, financing challenges. Another major fear for buyers is securing financing, especially when fluctuating interest rates or the complexity of loan approval. The best way to tackle this fear is to work with a knowledgeable lender early in the process. Get approved and make sure you understand the different loan options available to you. A good lender can help you lock in competitive rates and guide you through the various programs that might be available based on your financial situation. Remember, don't hesitate to ask questions. Understanding your financing options will give you the confidence to make a well-informed decision. As of February 2026, average 30-year fixed mortgage rates are around 6%. Down from higher levels in previous years, potentially easing monthly payments. Fear number 3, bidding wars. In today's competitive real estate market, particularly in places like Northern California, many buyers fear getting outbid on a dream home. It's tough to compete when inventory is low and demand is high, but there are ways to strengthen your position. First step is getting pre-approved for a mortgage. Sellers are more likely to consider offers from buyers who've been pre-approved because it shows you're serious. If you're in a multiple offer situation, work with your agent to craft an offer that stands out. Not necessarily being the highest bid, but offering a strong deposit, showing flexibility on closing timeline, or ask what the seller's needs are. Short or long escrow or a rent back. Sometimes these small details have a bigger impact on the seller's decision than just price alone. Housing inventory in Northern California is projected to increase by about 10% in 2026, reducing the intensity of bidding wars in many areas. Fear number 4, hidden problems. Another concern is discovering hidden defects or issues with a property after you've made an offer. From the foundation problems to plumbing issues, it's scary to think about buying a home with costly hidden repairs. Here's a way to ease that concern. Always schedule a professional home inspection before finalizing your purchase. A licensed inspector will thoroughly check the property for any hidden issues that might not be obvious during a showing. If any problems arise, you'll have the opportunity to negotiate repairs or a price reduction, or even walk away from the issues if they're too severe. Inspections help you avoid costly surprises down the road. Roof problems are found in about 20% of home inspections in California, highlighting the value of thorough due diligence. Fear number 5, overpaying. With market fluctuations and high demand, buyers are often afraid of overpaying for a property, especially in a fast-paced market. The solution here is to work with an experienced real estate agent who can provide you valuable insights into the local market. Your agent will help you understand whether a property is priced fairly based upon comparable sales in the area. They'll also help you avoid getting caught up in the emotional aspects of buying a home and guide you toward making a rational decision that's informed. Remember, just because a property is popular doesn't mean it's worth more than the actual value. In the Bay Area, about 35% of homes sold over list price in recent data, but buyers are less likely to chase overpriced homes. Fear number 6, market volatility. Lastly, many buyers fear that real estate market might suddenly drop, leaving them with an investment that loses value quickly. While market fluctuations are always a possibility, there are a few things you can do to protect yourself. First, focus on long-term value rather than short-term changes. Buying a home is a long-term investment, and historically, real estate has been a reliable long-term investment. Secondly, work with your agent to focus on properties in areas with strong growth potential. If you're concerned about volatility, you might also want to consider buying a home that you can comfortably afford even though the market shifts a bit. Stability and patience are key in real estate. Northern California home prices peaked in mid-2022 and have remained relatively stable since, with projections for a modest 2 to 3% growth in 2026. Buying a home is a big decision, but it's also one of the best investments you can make. By working with an experienced real estate team, understanding your financing options, and being prepared for potential hurdles, you can ease many of these fears and move forward with confidence. Remember, you don't have to face these fears alone. If you're ready to start your home buying journey, reach out to me today. I'm here to guide you through every step of the process and help you find the right home at the right price. Feel free to contact me if you have any questions or need any help getting started. Let's remove the fear and let's make your home buying dream a reality.